What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a super blessed day today. I know I am. Today's a good day for me because finally my bumper is done. I get to go pick it up. I dropped it off on Friday. They were closed on the weekend, but they already started painting it on Friday. Today's Monday. They're open. It's ready. I'm ready to go pick it up. So I'm gonna go pick it up. I'm gonna get it installed for you guys, and I'm bringing out some of that fire content. Let's get it going. All right, how's it going? I'm back after, well, for you guys a second, but me, it's been like 6 hours, 7 hours. Finally got the bumper installed. Most of it. Still got to do a couple screws, but here it is for the most part. There it is. Finally got the bumper on there. Man, I'm telling you, with one person, it's a challenge. Definitely a challenge. Still a couple more things I got to bolt on, but I mean, for the most part, I have it on there. I mean, damn, that thing looks good. There's the old one right there, and yeah, I'm gonna finish the last of everything up. So I'm gonna set you guys up and let's get it. All right, well, there you have it. 17 minutes. Oh, shit. Yeah, so there it is. The after, before, after, before. So yeah, it looks honestly like so much more aggressive. Yeah, so
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done here. I just gotta clean it up. Yeah, there's the bumper right there. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, honestly, I love it. Yeah. So, I mean, hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, you just, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, of course. And you already know I'm out of here.